بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
And of the people are some who say, we believe in Allah and the last day, but they are not believers.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
They think to deceive Allah and those who believe, but they deceive not except themselves and persecute it not.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
In their hearts is disease, so Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment because they habitually used to lie.
في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون.
And when it is said to them, do not cause corruption on the earth, they say, we are but reformers.
وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون.
Unquestionably, it is they who are the corrupters, but they perceive it not.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
And when it is said to them, believe as the people have believed, they say, should we believe as the foolish have believed? Unquestionably, it is they who are the foolish, but they know it not.
وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
And when they meet those who believe, they say, we believe, but when they are alone with their evil ones, they say, indeed we are with you. We are only mockers.
صدق الله العظيم.